Good morning! So today is my first vlog style video and I am super excited. I want to see how I like vlog styles as opposed to just like sit down videos. So I am getting ready. This morning I woke up super early to finish editing my video. I put up a hair care video and I ended up doing some laundry, picking up. And Mithat and Mila went to the aquarium and I'm really upset that I'm missing out on that, but it's okay. I get to see my girls today. I'm picking them up. We're gonna go to a farm that's about an hour's drive. It's my first time at this particular farm. I repurchased a brand new Revlon one-step blow dryer. So all the bristles in my other one melted, so I had to repurchase one. Also, there was a super great deal on Amazon, so I picked one up. So I'm gonna do my hair real quick and hopefully we can get out of here. So now I'm picking up the girls this time. I'm picking up Donia first and then we're gonna head out. I didn't even show you guys my outfit. I had no idea what I wanted to wear. I ended up going with a white turtleneck, these black kind of comfortable pants from Zara, and a blue jacket from Shein. And my accessories, I have a couple necklaces from Amazon, and on this side I have a couple earrings, and then on this side I also have a couple earrings. Yeah, so I'm just waiting for Donia, and then we're gonna pick up Dina, and then we're gonna pick up Starbucks, and then they don't know that I need gas. She just texted me she's coming, and then they don't know that I need gas, but I need gas, and then we're super late and that's my fault. So I'm just hoping to get going. Oops, Donia's here. Say hi to the camera. I'm vlogging today. Well, I'm gonna attempt to vlog. Oh my gosh, shoot. Okay, let's go pick up Dina. So we're here at the farm and we're here with a whole bunch of friends, and I just want to show you how pretty it is.
Should be a crime every time she walks across the room. Like a dream, a movie scene, what's a country boy to do? With those red lips and those blue jeans, my heart's skipping a beat. She's that pure kind of authentic, that top shelf kind of thing. She's Southern gold, can't deny the way she moves. Like a Tennessee fire, smooth and slow, everybody knows. You gotta put her in a love song. She's Southern gold, blow my mind, so beautiful. Make a grown man cry as she goes, everybody.
So we just did the sunflowers and now we're waiting for the hayride to pick apples, and I don't know what else we're gonna do, but we're definitely getting donuts. What else are we doing, Dudu? This is Donia.
Maybe apple cider.
Apple cider.
Pumpkin picking.
Pumpkin picking.
Hayride.
We're waiting for the hayride. We're waiting for one of our friends. wants to.
How many apples do you think I can fit in my bag?
8.
I'm gonna go for 10.
Okay, we're gonna see how much. Did you show them how small the bag is? Let me show you.
Totally fit 10.
We paid $30 for this bag. We're gonna fit 20 apples here. And the experience. You're so positive. Bring yourself.
We've shared dreams under open skies. We've loved far and we've traveled wide. But the best is yet to come. Danced out late in the pouring rain. Never lost hope, never lost the flame. And the best is yet to come. We've waited long enough by now. We've got a song and we should sing it out. There's a spark in you and a spark in me. So get up, let's take the lead. You shine bright like a million stars. Light up, the world is ours.
So we're doing the pumpkin picking now. I think Noor is getting a pumpkin.
She's taking a video of this. Okay, we're gonna try to find the perfect pumpkin for our city girl here that she could carry on the train. So it's not too big, not too small.
So now I'm trying to find a small pumpkin to take a picture with, and it's raining, so goodbye to my hair. Pretty straight hair anyway, or wavy hair. So when it touches the water, it just becomes super, she found a pumpkin. It just becomes kind of wavy. Look, they found a pumpkin. Cute!
I believe that too. I guess I was scared of ghosts because that's out there. Not even ghosts. Have you ever watched like a slasher movie?
I've been maybe like once or twice.
It's really good.
Got our donuts, and now we're finding our car and off to dinner. We tried making reservations, but it's not working out as planned. Okay guys, that's my first vlog and maybe my last. No. So we're gonna eat now and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Bye.